It's my proud privilege to welcome the Honorable President of India to Senapati district, a land of serene hills, pristine landscape, and timeless natural beauty. Nestled amidst the gentle highlands of Manipur, Senapati is home to vibrant Naga tribes whose rich traditions, disciplined way of life, and deep respect for nature form the cultural foundation of this region. With a population of nearly 5 lakh people, the district reflects resilience, harmony, and strong community bonds. At this time of the year, the delicate bloom of cherry blossom trees across the hills lends a distinctive and enchanting charm to the surroundings. Above all, it's the warmth, dignity, and spirit of its people that define the true beauty of Senapati, and it's a great honor for us to receive Honorable President of India in this proud and picturesque place. Senapati and Kankopi districts are home to the only PVTG community Maram of Manipur. The total population is about 45,000, live in about 45 villages and hamlets. A series of programs and schemes have been taken for upliftment of tribal communities, especially Maram tribe, in these two districts. These includes provisions of health facility, including mobile medical units, special roads under PMGSY, piped water supply schemes, construction of hospital and Anganwadi centers, housing facilities. Honorable President's visit today holds deep significance for the people of Manipur, particularly for those residing in the hill areas who look forward to greater engagement, recognition and support from the highest office of our nation. Madam, your presence here reaffirms the enduring bond between the people of this region and the democratic institutions of our country. The hill districts of Manipur possess rich cultural traditions and immense untapped potential in agriculture, in horticulture, traditional crafts, sports and ecotourism. The government of Manipur remains fully committed to unlocking this potential through focused development programs, strengthened infrastructure, improved road connectivity, enhanced public services, and sustainable livelihood opportunities designed to meet local aspirations. Equitable and balanced development across both the hill and valley regions continues to be priority of the state government. We firmly believe that true progress must reach every village, every community, and every household. Only through such inclusive growth can we build a Manipur that is resilient, prosperous, and harmonious. Madam, in recent times, our society has experienced periods of strain and division, yet the people of Manipur share a deep-rooted aspiration for unity, peace, and mutual respect. I wish to assure you that the government is working tirelessly to strengthen bonds across communities and districts, fostering trust, dialogue, cooperation, and ensuring that hopes and aspirations of all sections are reflected in our development journey. Presence of Honorable President of India in Senapati today sends a powerful message of solidarity, encouragement, and national support. It strengthens our collective resolve to build a future where development is equitable, opportunities are abundant, and harmony prevails across the state. Once again, I extend my sincere gratitude to the Honorable President of India for visiting Senapati district and for her continued guidance and support. I also convey my warm greetings to all distinguished dignitaries and citizens gathered here today. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, sir. I request the Honorable Governor, Manipur, to now felicitate the Honorable President of our country, India, with traditional gifts from this land. A painting entitled Happy Alone Series. This well-known Senapati artwork honors the strength and spirit of Naga women, painted by Angela Dovey from Chingmai Kuno village, Senapati. Naga traditional necklace. The necklace made of beads worn by Naga women is a significant cultural artifact for the various Naga tribes, serving as symbols of wealth, status, and tribal identity. Manipur, including Senapati, is a land of diversity with varied cultures. We will now listen to the folk songs of the region, which showcases this rich and beautiful culture.
Naga, we jile bolo pie, kralo she.